Good.
All right, this is the oxygen tank, regulator assembly. You got the color schemes, you got the placarding, and you have the special pin and index system which aligns itself to this regulator assembly. On the regulator itself, here's the pin and index, and you have a gasket and washer system. This is a gauge, the pressure gauge. This is an extension. Pigtail goes to an elder valve, which is a positive pressure device, and this is the flow meter. Regulates the amount of flow coming out from the tank. When you start, you would take off the protective seal. Go ahead and clear out any debris that's within that opening. Turn the tank on. Make sure it's not pointing towards you or anyone else. Some safety considerations to keep the tank upright and keep it into its container or a carrying device. Keep away any open flame and never use any petroleum-based byproducts. Tighten the regulator assembly and regulator to the tank. Once you have it securely tightened, then go ahead and test the tank by opening up the valve, listening for any leaks. You should not hear any leaks. You're going to continue to open the valve all the way to the end and quarter turn back. Check the pressure gauge. Your pressure gauge should be in the green or 2000 psi. If it's in the red, then it has to be refilled. Again, this is a positive pressure device. This should be used in case you have to ventilate your patient and the person is not breathing. That would be an indication. This is the triggering mechanism. Place the mask over the patient's mouth and nose. Use the CE technique. C on my fingers, the 3 fingers below make an E. Grasp the lower mandible. You're extending the head with the head tilt chin lift, and then you go ahead and ventilate. One breath. Okay, the discontinued oxygen device, go ahead and turn this off. Purge the system, making sure that no air is in there. Go ahead and release the regulator assembly from the tank. Remove the paper icon that says that the tank was in use to empty and exchange the tank.